what's going on with me today, bro? Okay, well, thank you for all the hearts. You are literally amazing. I love y'all.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you an awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of why you don't feel this way.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Our patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Yeah, I don't know.
Everybody, yeah, rock your body. Oh, okay. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah. Everybody, rock your body right. Backstreet's back, alright.
So why were you holding her hand? Is that the way we stand?
So, why were you holding our hand? I give up.
Orospu evladı ya.
How are you not trying me? Oh, never mind.
Şimdi onu
Why are you playing cupcake? Oh.
What was that?
Batırıyor memesi sarkıyor. Salla batırıyor. Oldu lan.
Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart.
Stones, heavy lots of love shown. Solid does it grow with no.
I was a girl and they were like doing alright. Then we were this overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. Someone went to stay mad. So much to learn and see up in the castle of my family. In a school that's just royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be taking my wings and adventure every day. Five bags. Ugh.
Tô fazendo amor com a favela toda, mas meu coração é pra sempre teu. O que me tua perdoa.
Flashback, warm nights, almost. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after, sometimes you picture me and I look at you.
Sen yerinde dur. Karşında Enes Batur. Sen yerinde dur. Karşında Enes Batur. Ez içiyor baba tennem. Kuzi kuzi tennem. Kuzi diyor tennem. Tennem kuzi tennem.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, it's like the whole sky. Oh.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. I used to think that I wasn't bold enough. But I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you play your games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you're hurting me.
You look so perfect standing there in my American Apparel.
You look so perfect in my American underwear, and I know now that I'm so down. You're so rude. Your lipstick stain is a work of art. I got your name tattooed in an arrow heart, and I know now that I'm so down. I hate you all. Size. Oh, it is me again. All right. My little pony, friendship till the end, my little pony. At least Vienna appreciates my artistic talent. Thank you, Vienna. When you go up, I'm gonna donate to you. Just know that. Fucking.
I come home in the morning like my mother says when
I come home in the morning like my mother says, when you gonna live your life right. Oh, mommy dear, we're not the fortunate ones. And girls, they wanna have fun. Thank you guys. Be the best. version of yourself, you know? Thank you.
You can't wake up, this is not a dream, you are part of.
You can't wake up, this is not a dream. You're part of a machine, you're not a human being. With your face dominated, living on the screen. You're gonna read.
Goatee sitting on a dash, you're a rock star, make your favorite singer one.
Gold teeth sitting on the dash, she a rock star. Make your favorite singer wanna rap, baby la la. Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hi, hi. That's my life, baby. I'm a rock star. Thank you so much.
Cause I know you're poison, you're feeding me poison, addicted to the.
Actually, I shoot my pen just now. Cause I know your potion. You feel my potion. I think the feeling. I can't help it.
And you know it's always trying to stay.
Yeah. And you know, it's always. Emma, take it away. Emma, take it away. Always trying to stay awake. Stay awake. Hit that note. Yeah. Open. Bye, guys. Darling. Right? Shut up.
La 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 lava, chicken, Stevie's lava chicken, yes.
You're all full time, guys. Where's Xylil, guys?
Where is like?
Where's
What the hell,
Xylil,
guys?
bro?
What the hell, you guys? What do we want? What do we with the fuck? Parang aja lah.